I'm starting the recording. Okay, let's start the class. Okay, nice. Welcome everybody to Damodar class. Thank you, kids, for joining. Let's start our class with the prayers. I think so. You all can see me and see the slides, right? Can you all see me and see the slides?
Yes.
Yes, good job. Let's start. Okay. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmlitanyena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prastaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara
Hare Krishna,
Now we will chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra for 11 times, okay? Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama Rama,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Krishna, 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 Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Krishna,
Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, kids, for singing Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Thank you so much. Let's move on to this story. We are seeing Krishna stories. Before we started our summer camp, we were doing these Krishna stories. So we are continuing that stories. So each day you will see different Krishna stories from the Krishna book. Let's start the story. Today's story is Krishna builds the fort at Dwaraka. That's the story for today. We saw until the Krishna killed Kamsa. Okay? Krishna killed King Kamsa. Afterwards, the two wives of Kamsa went back to their home because they don't have the husband now, so they went back to home. Who is the father of the Krishna? Krishna's wives, Kamsa's wives is Jarasandha. Jarasandha is the father-in-law of Kamsa. So they went back there. So Jarasandha was very angry after he heard that Krishna has killed Kamsa. He was so angry, and he went with his all big army. Like he marched with a great army, like soldiers, horse, elephants, and ocean of chariots. So much big of people he took, like soldiers, horse, elephant, everything to fight with Krishna. And he started shouting at Krishna. He's saying, how terrible is this? You killed your uncle. How can you kill your uncle? So Kamsa is Krishna's uncle. We all know, sister of his mother, brother of his mother, right? Devaki's brother. He's Kamsa. So now here Jarasandha is asking Krishna, how can you kill your uncle? How can you do this? All these days you were hiding. We all know that Krishna was hiding, and not hiding actually. Krishna was staying in Vrindavan, right? But here Jarasandha in angry because Kamsa has been killed by him, right? So he was very angry, and he was telling, you were hiding all these days in Vrindavan, and now you came, and how can you kill Kamsa? And you don't know how to kill also. You don't know how to fight. How did you do this? And then he shouted it even on Balaram also. How can you do this? I will kill you now. He's saying, Jarasandha is saying to Krishna and Balaram that I will kill you now. You will go to heavenly planet. How foolish is Jarasandha, we can see. Jarasandha is saying that he will kill Krishna and Krishna will go to heavenly planet. How sinful person he is, we can understand. Who is Krishna? We all know that Krishna is a supreme personality of Godhead. Nobody can kill Krishna. If somebody is saying that, they are foolish. So then afterwards Jarasandha was shouting like this, and Krishna got so much angry, and Krishna started giving back to Jarasandha. He said, now you are talking all of this, you think like you are like a crazy person. Only the person whose death has came, they can only talk like this. When you are about to die, the demons, when they are about to die, they want to fight with Krishna. We saw so many demons like Trinavarta, Potana, all this what they did. They want to show that they are very powerful, and Krishna is a little boy. He don't know anything, right? So that's why all the demons were killed. So same way now Jarasandha is also acting in the same way, that he is thinking that he is great and Krishna is nothing. So then Krishna told, now it looks like your death is going to come now. So Krishna started firing at him all the arrows, one after the other, and Krishna in a few seconds, it's like he killed all of his horses, Jarasandha's horses, and all these soldiers, everything, elephants, everything was killed. But Krishna did not kill Jarasandha. What Balram has did, Balram has tied Jarasandha with Varuna, rope of Varuna. It's called one rope. Its name is Varuna rope. He tied. Balram has tied Jarasandha with that rope. And then after that, Krishna, after some time, Krishna left him go back. He did not kill him. So he was so ashamed because all his soldiers were killed, right? But still, this demons mentality is what, how much ever we say them that this is bad, still they do keep on doing that bad things because they are demons. They cannot understand who is Krishna. Again the same thing, after he has defeated, again the same thing, again he was keep on repeating that. Once he was defeated by Krishna, and all the Mathuravasis welcomed Krishna very nicely with the conch shells, drums, beautiful music.
I cannot see the slide.
Everybody.
I cannot see that.
Okay, you can see. When I minimize this, you can see. The city was very clean. You can see in this picture how they are welcoming. They are showering the flowers, sprinkling water. All the Brahmanas were singing Vedic mantras. Everybody were enjoying, throwing yogurt on each other because Krishna has victory, right? He defeated Jarasandha. He won and he's coming back. They are welcoming so nicely. They were all so happy. Houses were decorated very nicely. Everything was so nice. They are all were very happy, and then they shared everything to King Ugrasena, because Ugrasena is the king of Yadu dynasty. He is the one. So then Krishna and Balaram shared everything what had happened to King Ugrasena. like this. And after this also, again, even after doing this much, again Jarasandha came, again still he want to fight. But every time Jarasandha used to come, Krishna used to defeat everybody, all the soldiers that he used to bring. But still Jarasandha was not leaving it. He's coming again and again and again. And he's always shame about his losing, that he's losing always with fighting with Krishna. So we should understand here that Krishna is a supreme personality of Godhead. We are thinking in this material world. When we came here, we are thinking that, oh, I know everything, I am the leader, I can do this, I can do that, nobody need to help me, I am the great, like that. See, Jarasandha was also thinking here like that, but we should not think that you are the great. Here the moral is like Jarasandha want to show the light to the sun, like he's thinking that he can kill Krishna and Krishna can go to heavenly planets, like that he's talking, right? So when you think that you are great, Krishna is less, that means you are showing a light to sunlight. So when there is a sun, do we need any torch light to show? No, right? So Krishna is like that. When Krishna is there, we are nothing in front of Krishna. What we have to do? We have to serve to Krishna. We should never think that we are great and Krishna is, if somebody is saying that you are great and we should not serve Krishna, that means that is demon mentality. Our mentality as a devotee, our mood should be always serving to Supreme Personality of Godhead, okay? This is the moral of the story. So we should not have the mentality like Jarasandha. We should have a devotee mentality. Devotee mentality is serving always Krishna. Okay. Who is this Jarasandha? Can anybody say me?
The bad person.
Who is he?
He's Kamsa's friend.
Father-in-law. Father-in-law. Kamsa's father-in-law. Okay.
He's Kamsa.
What is that?
He's Kamsa's father.
Yeah, father-in-law, not father. Kamsa's father-in-law. Okay. Then Jarasandha came with what all? What all he came with?
He came with horses and elephants.
Elephants, everything, right? He came with all of it. Where was Krishna before he came to Mathura? Where was Krishna?
In
Vrindavan. Yes. How did Balrama tied Jarasandha with what? What is that rope name?
Varuna.
Yes. After defeating Jarasandha, Krishna
cannot disturb the class.
back to where? Where did they go?
You cannot yell.
Mathura. How did they all welcome? In Mathura? All the devotees, how did they welcome?
Flowers, water.
Yes. They have decorated all the houses, showering flowers, butter, yogurt, all of that, right? Music, everything, right? So nice. Thank you, kids, for participating so nicely. We will move on to the sloka and rhyme part. I welcome Saroja Nandini Mataji. Please take over, Mataji, for sloka and rhyme.
मच्चिद मद्गत विप्राण बोधयन्तः परास्परं कथयन्तश्च माम नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमण.
Hare Krishna, Saroja Nandini Mataji. Saroja Nandini Mataji.
Yeah, Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you so much.
Okay, Mataji, I'll spot you. Yes, Mataji. Yeah.
Hare Krishna, can you hear me, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, we can hear you, Mataji. But you are in from two devices, I guess. Can you mute one device, Mataji? Remove the volume from device.
Krishna. Kids, so today we are going to learn from Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 9th verse. We'll just learn 2 lines. Please repeat after me. Matchitta. Madgata prana. Bodhayantaha.
Mataji, we can't hear you, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji.
Yeah, Mataji. Mataji is getting disconnected in between. Yes, her internet connection is poor, I think, Mataji, today.
Mataji is coming.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's continue. Matchitta. Bodhayantaha parasparam. Bodhayantaha parasparam. Let's do again. Matchitta madgata prana. Bodhayantaha parasparam. One more time. Matchitta madgata prana. Bodhayantaha parasparam. Okay, so you practice this line. We will do the next line tomorrow. Yeah, so we'll do the next two lines tomorrow. Now we are going to look at the meanings. So what is matchitta means? Matchitta means their minds fully engaged in me.
Their mind
So we're going to see that yeah, Matgata prana means their lives they're devoted to me. And
devoted to me.
Bodhayantaha means preaching. Parasparam among themselves. Katayantaha talking. Also. Mom, about me. Nityam means perpetually. Tushyanti, become pleased. Again also. Ramanti,
Brahmaji.
Enjoy transcendental bliss.
Enjoy bliss.
Also.
So.
Okay, so let's look at the translation. Please repeat this again. The thoughts of my pure devotee. Okay, let's do half. The thoughts.
The third
The thoughts of
My
my
pure devotee.
devotee.
of my pure devotee.
My pure devotee.
Dwell in me.
Dwell in me.
Dwell in me.
Their lives
Their lives
Their lives
are fully devoted
The fully devoted
devoted
to my service.
to my service
And
and they derive
great satisfaction
great satisfaction and bliss from
great satisfaction
great satisfaction
and bliss
and bliss
always
always
enlightening one another
enlightening
one another
another and
conversing
conversing about about you don't need white. Mataji is stuck.
yeah and conversing about me about me okay yes Mataji got struck okay what do we do Mataji
Just wait, Mataji. Maybe you want to try for the rhyme. Mataji will explain, I think. Yeah. Yeah, Mataji is there.
there okay
Hare Krishna. Okay, so I'm saying that the shloka was saying that Krishna says that his devotees are engaged in his service. They always think about him. So that's what we are doing here, right? So Krishna is very happy with all of you. Okay? So please memorize the first two lines. Let's continue the next two lines tomorrow. Okay, let's do the rhyme now today. This is about Matsya Avatara. Please repeat after me. Who's that swimming in the water?
Who's that swimming in the water?
With a long horn pulling a little boat.
with
With a horn pulling a little boat.
Who's that swimming in the water?
Who's that swimming in the water?
Who keep the Vedas afloat?
Who keep the Vedas afloat?
And to keep the Vedas afloat.
okay
Matsya, Hari Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Keshavadrita Sharira.
Jai Jagadish Hare
Jaya Jagadish Hare. Jaya Jagadish Hare. Okay, very nice singing. Thank you all for singing so beautifully. I think we can break now to the break room, and you all can try to sing recite the shloka and the rhyme.
Yes, Mataji. Everyone's moving to break rooms, Mataji.
Okay, so let's see who wants to recite the rhyme and the shloka first. Raise your hands, please. Okay, Pranav, you can go ahead first. Mataji, do we have this screen here?
Yes,
We have
Mataji.
the picture.
I'm sharing, Mataji. 1 second. This one. Yeah, go ahead. You can start, Karna.
Okay. Who's that swimming in the water with a long horn pulling a little boat? Who with a long horn pulling a little boat? Who's that swimming in the water? Who came to keep the Vedas afloat? Who came to keep the Vedas afloat? Matsya Hari Hari Bol. Jaya Jagat Keshava Meena Sharira. Jaya Jagadish Hare. Jaya Jagadish Hare. Jaya Jagadish Hare.
Say Machita.
Machita.
Thank you. Thank you, Pranav. That was nice.
Thank you,
You want to
Mataji.
say the shloka or not?
Yeah, go ahead.
Machita
You can do the first 2 lines. Yeah.
Machita
Madgata.
Madgata Bodhayanta Parasparam.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Pranav. Very nice.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. I will pray.
Yes, Parikshit, go ahead, please.
Machita,
Machita
Madgata Prana,
Madgata Prana
Bodhayanta Parasparam,
Bodhayanta
Katha Intascha Mamnityam,
Amitam
Katha Intascha Mamnityam,
Katiti Mamitam
Tusyanti cha,
Kotantita
Ramanti cha,
Mamamita
Ramanti cha.
Mamamita.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you,
Thank you, Parikshit. Did you want to try the rhyme or maybe next time?
Next time.
Nope.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see who else.
No, I want to go.
Okay, Tanvik, go ahead, please. Tanvik.
Who is that swimming in the water? The longhorn pulling a little boat. Who is that swimming in the water? Who kept to keep the Vedas afloat? Who keeps to keep the Vedas afloat? Matya Hari Hari Bol. Keshava Druta Meena Sharira. Jagadisha Hare. Jai Jagadisha Hare. Machita Matkata Prana. Bodhayanta Parasparam. Katayanta Syamam Nityam. Sushanti Cha Ramanti Cha. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Tanvik. How old are you?
I'm 5.
Wow, that was quite fast a reading of the rhyme. It sounded like, although it was not like a full song, but you said it without any gaps, and it sounded so well, like so rhyming. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And yeah, very nice recitation of shloka too. Who else wants to go next? I heard some more voices falling out.
Mataji, can Mataji,
Yes, Shlok, please go ahead.
who is that swimming in the water with the long horn pulling a little boat? Who is that swimming in the water? Who came to keep the wheels afloat? Who came to keep the wheels afloat? Matsya Hari Hari Bol Keshavadita Meena Sharira Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Thank you. That was so nice. Did you
Thank
want
you,
to do the Shloka?
Mataji.
Lines? Did you want to do the
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, go ahead. You can do the first two lines.
Chitta Madhita Prana Bodhayanta Prasparam Kadayantashta Mamanityam Sundar Teacher.
Thank you. Very nice, Shlok. And anyone else who wants to recite the shloka or the rhyme?
Hare Krishna Mandaji.
Hare Krishna, who's this?
Satvik
Yes, Satvik. Please go ahead.
Machita Matkaras Prana Budanaya
Bodhayanta.
Budna
Parasparam.
Parasundam.
Who is swimming?
Who is swimming on the water? With a long corner in the boat.
Who is swimming in the water?
Who is swimming on the water with a long who came to make keep the Vedas afloat. Matsya
Hari
Hari Hari Bo Keshavadita Meena Sadira Jai Jagadisha Hare Jai Jagadisha Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, thank you, Satvik. That was very nice. Okay, Raghav, you can go ahead.
Who's swimming in the water? With a longer little boat. Who's swimming in the water? Who came to keep? Who kept to keep the weight of our food? Who kept to keep the weight of our food? Masya Hari Hari Bol. Keshavadrita Nana.
Meena.
Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Jai Jagadisha Hare. Jai Jagadisha Hare.
Okay, thank you. Do you want to read the shloka? Machita mat. Bodhayanta parasparam. Thank you, Raghav. Very nice. Okay, let's move to some other kid who wants to do. Please raise your hands or call out your name. Chaitanya Charan and who's that? Do you want to try? Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Yes, please go ahead. You want to start with the shloka or the rhyme? Do you need help?
Line.
What help do you need? Who is that swimming
Who is that swimming in the water?
with a long horn
Pulling a
little
little boat.
boat? Who is that swimming in the water?
Who
Came to keep
the
Vedas afloat. Who came to keep the Vedas afloat?
Yeah, Hari Hari Bo. Shavadita Jaya Sharira Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Thank you, Chaitanya Charan.
Machita.
And what's your brother's name?
Nadia Bihari.
Go back there and sit
Natya
there.
Bihari. Very nice.
Go sit there, Bihari, please.
Okay. Very beautiful singing.
See the
Who
words?
else? Do you want to do the shloka? First 2 lines?
That's the remote.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Let's do it next class, okay? Okay, let's move to anybody else who would like to say the shloka or sing the rhyme? We're going to send the recording, so whoever has not caught the tune or whoever still struggling with the pronunciation, you can always listen to the recording and learn from it. We still have 2 more days where we're going to recite, so you can always get another chance. Anybody else who wants to recite? I don't see anybody raising hands. You all can try.
Unmute everyone, Mataji.
Mute.
No,
Everybody.
unmute everyone.
Okay, Ansh. Ansh, do you want to sing or say the rhyme? Or say the shloka?
You want to say? Who is that swimming in the water?
I say on it.
Mataji, he said in the other break room, so he's saying, I already said, I don't want to say it again.
Oh, okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, so let's, Mataji, are we waiting for everybody to join back in?
Mataji, I guess everybody came in, Mataji.
Oh, everybody came in. Okay.
8 minutes.
Okay, so let's conclude. Let's conclude with our Vaishnava prayers. Vancha kalpa tarubhyasya kripalubhya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo
Namo Namaha.
अनंत कोटि वैष्णव की जय.
Jai Shri Prabhupada ki jai.
Mataji ki jai. Sarojana.
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Thank you, everyone.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Bye Mataji.